Question is, amongst the following, which one will have maximum lone pair repulsions? Options are XEF2, CLF3, IF5 and SF4. Which one should be the correct answer? One thing we need to remember here, electrons, whether they are in bonding or they are in lone pair, they'll repulse each other. Okay. Now this information I am sharing for you. You may please take the screenshot of this and you can read it later. Now we are continuing. One more thing, the molecule which will have maximum number of lone pairs will have the maximum lone pair repulsion. So we'll go with XeF2, as if we know, okay, this xenon has 8 electrons in its lone pair, okay, and out of which it is utilizing only two electrons for formation of bond with the 2 fluorines. So 8 minus 2, that does mean there are still 6 electrons which are non-bonding and which are in valence shell. Now this does mean these one, these thing and kind of these 2 electrons will make a pair. So collectively we will have 3 lone pairs. Okay. So what we got, these XeF2 has 3 lone pairs. Now if we'll be talking about ClF3, so Cl has 7 electrons in its valence shell, and out of which now it is utilizing, let's say I'm making cross for the electrons of fluorine, and if possible we'll change the color of fluorine in this case. Let's make fluorine कौन सा बनाए, चलो green बनाते हैं. So it is utilizing its three electrons for the formation of bonds with the 3 fluorines, and with this we get to know that we have 2 lone pairs. So chlorine does have 2 lone pairs. Okay. Vinyl it had 3 and chlorine has 2. Now the next structure is IF5. Iodine again has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 7 lone pairs of electrons in its valence shell, and now in this compound, in the third compound, it is utilizing its 5 electrons again to form bonds with 5 fluorine atoms, and we can see here it has only 1 lone pair. So again, what we are saying, it had 3, it has 2, it has 1, and now the next thing, my friends, sulfur has 6 electrons in its valence shell, and SF4 does mean it is utilizing its 4 electrons to form bond with 4 fluorine atoms, and the structure suggests sulfur has only 1 lone pair in this case. So 3, 2, 1, 1, and as I said earlier, the molecule which will have more number of lone pairs will have more lone pair repulsion, and so is the case here. Xenon will form bond with 2 fluorine atoms, and it will have linear structure because of the repulsion of these 3 lone pairs. Fine, and that's only the answer.